What if I told you this LED doesn't need a switch to turn on? Just a simple human touch. There's no button and no sensor here, yet the LED turns on instantly. The secret behind this is the 555 timer IC and your body's natural capacitance. In this video, I'll explain this touch-controlled LED circuit step by step, from design to working. The 555 timer IC works by sensing voltage changes. Inside the 555, there are comparators that continuously compare the input voltage with fixed reference levels. These reference levels are 1/3 and 2/3 of the supply voltage. The battery provides power to the entire circuit. It supplies the required voltage to the 555 IC so it can compare voltage levels and operate properly. Without the battery, the touch signal cannot be detected and the LED will not turn on. In this circuit, the 555 is not used as a timer, it is used as a voltage detector. When the voltage at the trigger pin drops below 1/3 of VCC, the output of the 555 goes high. When a human finger touches the metal plate, the body adds a very small capacitance. This changes the voltage at the trigger pin slightly, but that small change is enough for the 555 to detect. As soon as the trigger voltage goes below the threshold level, the internal flip-flop sets. The output at pin 3 becomes high, and the LED turns on instantly. When the finger is removed, the capacitance is gone, the voltage returns to normal, the flip-flop resets, the output goes low, and the LED turns off. The transistor in this circuit works as a switch. It takes the small output signal from the 555 IC and allows enough current to flow through the LED. Without the transistor, the 555 output alone cannot power the LED properly. All the components in this circuit are properly connected and set up carefully. The 555 IC, touchpad, transistor, capacitor, battery, and LED are all in their correct positions. Because of this proper connection, the 555 can easily detect the tiny voltage change from your touch, switch the transistor, and light up the LED instantly without any errors. The capacitor in this circuit helps stabilize the voltage and smooth out any small fluctuations. It makes sure the 555 IC works reliably, so even a tiny touch on the pad is detected correctly and the LED lights up instantly. The LED in this circuit is the main indicator. It shows the output of the 555 IC clearly. When you touch the pad, the 555 detects the small voltage change, switches the transistor on, and the LED lights up instantly. The LED turns off as soon as you remove your finger, giving immediate feedback. So it visually represents how the touch and the 555 IC are working together in real time.
The resistor in this circuit limits the current flowing through certain parts, protecting the LED and other components from too much current. It also helps the 555 IC work properly by controlling voltage at key points, ensuring the touch is detected accurately and the LED switches on smoothly. This is a simple touch LED circuit. The battery powers the whole setup, giving voltage to the 555 IC. The touchpad is connected to the trigger pin, so when you touch it, your body adds a tiny capacitance, changing the voltage slightly. The 555 IC detects this change and sends a signal to the transistor, which acts as a switch. The transistor then allows enough current to flow through the LED, making it light up instantly. The resistor controls the current, protecting the LED and making sure the circuit works smoothly. A capacitor is added to stabilize the voltage and prevent false triggering. Everything in this circuit is connected properly so that when you touch the pad, the LED turns on immediately, and when you remove your finger, it turns off, giving instant feedback. If you enjoyed this circuit, don't forget to subscribe for more cool electronics projects.